For the players to just enjoy the game with the pressure off, try out a few different things, and we get something open and free-flowing.
So off we go then. Cristiano Ronaldo. De Bruyne. Here's Rodri. And it's Bernardo Silva. Alvarez. Now it's Bernardo Silva. Alvarez. There's the shot! What a wonderful goal!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more. Yeah, the touch before the finish is so often the critical part, and we've just seen an example.
So, a breakthrough already. Well, he acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but the pass lacked...
And the shot! Really well taken goal. 2, and we've barely begun here.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Talisca! Interesting ball. Great ball if he can get there. That's an excellent interception. Otavio moved forward and quickly so. Talisca! Talisca! Is it in? Yes, it's an own goal!
Oh, it's terribly unfortunate for them, and maybe we can attribute that to a loss of focus.
Well, who saw that coming? It has certainly made things interesting.
Well, that's something.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. Well timed, excellent interception. De Bruyne knocks it out wide. Grealish gets into some space. Tries to get it clear. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Rodri cuts it out.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he... Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Ruben Dias. Clearly not happy with that. Shifted upfield. Talisca succumbs to the pressure. Rodri. Talisca just eases him off the ball. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. And that could set him on his way. Alvarez. Haaland. And he's there to get it away. Laporte producing a good steal there, showing a good level of alertness. Well, that's beautifully weighted. Oh, he had to make that, and he did make it. Mane is offering an apologetic gesture of sorts.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Laporte. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Bernardo Silva, he can run onto that. Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. And it's Bernardo Silva. Look at the space here. Brozovic. And they're quick to get it back. Looks to clip it forward. Talisca. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo, Talisca concedes a free kick for that. And it's Bernardo Silva. Thinks one through. Now the finish! Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Bernardo Silva did incur the wrath of the referee and has earned himself a booking in the process. Stones. Here's Rodri. Bernardo Silva. Stones. Ruben Dias. Sergio Gomez. Greenish, already of course on the score sheet. Played out to the left flank. Haaland. Oh, he's got the shot away! Bernardo Silva delivers. Great chance! Goal! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. And that'll be the last act of the first half. Whistle goes, and we start the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
And it's Walker. Haaland. Defending of the desperate variety. Fofana. Chance to break. Mane. Talisca. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! He scored! The second half off to a spectacular start. Ronaldo duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up. It was all set up for him too, Peter, to pick out someone wearing the same shirt, and the rest is history now.
And he's picked out the run. Sergio Gomez. Talisca. And the pass is intercepted. Oh, he's found support out wide. Kyle Walker. Good spot, he's seen the run. Bernardo Silva. He's shifting through the gears here. And it's been taken straight back. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Fiddles it through.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
You know, the interest value in this game might just take off from here.
Alvarez. Oh, he's bustling through here. The referee's awarded a free kick. That's a half-decent try. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Looking for the runner. He's played him through. That is a brilliant interception. Ottavio gives his colleague a guilty look.
Clearly is miffed, having made the run and not get picked out.
He's in, surely! Bernardo Silva. He's left his man. Back when it goes. Haaland. There's the hit! And it's hoisted clear. Has a shot! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Very speculative with little threat, if any, for the keeper.
Nice ball, and he's in here. Great challenge, time to perfection. Talisca was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. And they can counter here, and it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And that's a good ball.
Well, there's plenty to like about this approach. Get your head down, keep battling away, and eventually things might change for you.
He's going to be disappointed with that. Fofana moved on forwards. That is a great pick out. And he's on his way!
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Oh, that is a good ball to find him. Oh, he's certainly caught him there. It's a free kick.
Yeah, this could well be defining when you're looking back on events.
This certainly looks up. Talisca! He went for the corner.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to admire their commitment to goals.
Gets his pass away, and he was alert to it.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
Alvarez.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Nicely intercepted. Fofana. And here's Mane. He is through here. Ederson claims it. And that is it. The referee has seen enough.